on fire.
Oh my god.
My school's on fire. Wow.
Oh my god.
Holy shit.
I'm waiting. Stop the camera.
Yeah, that cop is not putting us in.
Not going there. Nope. Take pictures.
Oh my, I'm taking video right now. Holy shit. I think the house is gonna burn down.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. Holy shit. Do you see that?
No.
That whole tree was on fire.
No.
Hi. Just be okay. You're gonna be okay. Hi. You're gonna be okay. Oh shit. Yeah, don't worry about that, dude. Look at that. Oh shit. Scary, fuck. Yeah. The plastic is gone, dude.
Yeah.
Fuck. Okay.
Oh, the water already?
Yeah. Oh, shit. So, where's the gas?
Outside.
Okay, the gas is off right now. Hmm? No, don't open the window. Don't open. Don't open anything. Just stay over here. Fuck.
Oh. Alright, dude. So, yeah, let's get out of here. We tried, bro. I'm sorry. We tried our best. Yeah, when this tree falls, it's over. I'm sorry, bro. Gotta get out of here. Oh, shit. Holy shit. Did that tree fall?
Honestly, I did not pay attention. I just drove straight to the barn to get my horses out and get the rest of these guys out. We're not just gonna let them burn.
I got a bunch out with trailers, and there's a bunch in there still. How many more? We don't know. I don't know. I don't know how many. How many did you let out?
We took about 4 of them in trailers, 2 in a different trailer, 3 in another one. So there should be at least maybe 12.
About 12. Are there more people out there right now?
It's the whole
We
barn.
looked down and down to get these out. I got, let's see. So there's 4, 2, 3, what is that, 9? How is these 4, 10, 11, 12. There's 12. Yeah, no, they're pretty wired up. Yeah. They're getting used to it. They're getting used to it now, but when the wind's blowing and embers are, they don't really know what to do. Have you seen anything like this? Look at that hillside. Yeah, before.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, please be safe.
Yeah, thank you. You be safe too.
Yeah.